Alright, hey guys, welcome to the Create an Android App course. Now the question is, how are we going to create an Android app without coding? Now, so you know that an Android app is coded in Java. So what you need to normally do is actually, learn Java programming and code the app in Java, and then you could, publish it and put it on the Google Play Store. But Google has partnered with MIT and they've created something pretty amazing, which is called the App Inventor, and it allows you to create apps that are really advanced, really, good apps without having to know how to code. What it does, it offers a sort of interface, like a plug and play interface that allows you to drag and drop components and put in, event programming just by using the click of a button and putting like puzzles together. And you'll see that in a future video. So it's called the App Inventor. And it is not some, cheesy small program. I mean, it allows you, you're going to be able to create this app, the Animal Sounds app, using the App Inventor and create other apps. And we'll have future courses on that, hopefully, where you'll learn even more advanced apps. But it allows you to create apps just like the Animal Sounds apps and do things that are extraordinary. And you could have your app in the store if you're a marketer, if you're just a student and just want to get your feet wet and build your resume, or just do things for your company and do things that other people can't do, such as have an app like this. You can do this. So we're going to use the App Inventor. Now, in order to have the App Inventor, you have to install it. For us to use it, we have to install it. You might run through some trouble if you're on a Mac. So I want you to go through a little bit of a process here. I want to talk you through how to install it. So in the next video, we're going to talk about how to install the App Inventor, and then we're going to actually get started and get our feet wet and actually start coding our Animal Sounds app right away. I'll see you in the next video.